Hi guys, Angela here. This is going to be slightly a different video because I just wanted to show you guys what I got during the past couple of months when it comes to fashion items that I'm really happy that I received. Some of the products I bought with my own money, some things I got gifted. So if you guys are wondering what those purchases are, then keep on watching. I think that the first purchase that I want to show you is a shoe, is a heel. And I actually saw this heel when I went to London a couple of weeks ago, and I went shopping with a friend of mine, Anne, and I saw them and I was like, well, I just don't know if the one-toe strap is something for me, but it kind of stayed in my head and I decided, you know what, let me just order it and see if it really fits and if I like it. And it are heels from Topshop. So if you can see right here, you see that it has a toe strap, but not only that, it also has a normal strap. And I think that that's why I like this one, because otherwise I wouldn't have enough support. It's in a snake print and the toe is kind of squarish, which also was something that I was doubting about, because I was like, maybe because I already have wide feet, maybe it would look even wider. But it's not too bad. I love the material and they are super comfy. I think also because the heel isn't that small. It's a wide heel, but it's still very flattering. And I liked it so much that I also got the black ones. Right here. A girl can never have enough black heels. Well, I have quite a lot of them, but I thought this is kind of a totally different style that I would normally pick, and especially if you have a fresh mani, these will look amazing. I'll put all the links of the items down below so you can see them, and I think it was about 60 euros, which isn't too bad because they're all leather, they're super comfy, super sturdy, and they also have like a little cushion over here, which makes it even more comfortable to wear them, and I can easily last all day with these on. So I was scrolling through Instagram for some fashion inspiration, and I noticed that a lot of people get stuff on the fashion website called Nastygal, and I never ordered anything from them, but I was like, maybe I should just give it a try. So I bought a couple of items because they had a sale. Everything was 50% off or even more, even the new collection. So I decided to give it a try, and you've already seen this one in one of my posts, and it's such a cute dress. It has a leopard print and it's pink. I normally wouldn't go for a color and print like this, like both of them, but it seems to work. It has two slits on both sides, and the material, it is thin but it's very flattering, and due to the cord that you have at the cleavage, you create more cleavage. So really a nice dress. Another summer item that I got is this also crop top in a brown color. It's cotton, so it can, you know, you really need to iron it, but I think it would be a perfect look for a beach day or like a summer party. Like I said, it's cotton, so the fabric is very breathable, which I like, and I have a lot of brown colored items just because I think it's suitable for every occasion, and I really cannot wait to try this one. Then this dress, I saw what a friend of mine had a giveaway of this dress, and I was like, I need to purchase it. I'll put the web shop down below because I don't know the name anymore, but it's this silky dress in leopard. I have a lot of leopard, but I still wanted one. It's a slip dress, and this one is very figure hugging. I find that slip dresses aren't that suitable for ladies with curves, especially around the butt area. It can make you look boxy and squarish very easily, but this one doesn't. This one really hugs your figure and make you look even more like a cocoa bottom. Then two items that I got in the mail from CHIQUELLE. It's a pretty popular online web shop, And the first item is this crop top. It's super simple but super cute with like some high-waisted jeans or a nice skirt. It has like the elastic ruffles as the top area, and then this chiffon-y fabric as sleeves. And I just love the how do you call it, I love the squareness of your neckline that is kind of square. I think that's very flattering if you don't have boobs, because it makes it look like you have more boobs than you actually have, and I'm part of the no boob crew, so that's always a good thing. Another thing is this wrap top. I do have to say that the fabric is a little bit more sheer than I hoped it would be, but it's also like a crop top but then in a wrap form. I'm not sure how I would pair this. I'll show you an alternative how to wear it, but I'm not really sure yet how I would rock it. And last but not least, I really wanted a coat that I could like bury myself in because of the cold weather, and sometimes you just don't really care about looking classy and sophisticated. Sometimes you want to look tough, you want to look street, you want to look like you haven't put any effort into your outfit. This is the coat. It was 10 euros. It's a huge coat. Why is it that huge? Because I got it in an extra large, but I love it. I live in it. It's perfect for the Dutch weather, and it has a hoodie or a hood. I don't know for sure how to pronounce it. And I realized that I didn't have any coat that could protect my hair if I wanted to. This one can, because it's a huge one, so my hair and head fit into it. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. It's kind of different, but I really wanted to try it out and know if you guys are interested in seeing more of these videos more often. Thumbs up if you like it. Please comment down below which other videos you would love to see. Of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button to make sure that you get a notification every time I post a new video. And if you haven't seen my Instagram yet, go check that out, because there I put some daily snips of my life and you can see a little bit more of me. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!